Y'all ever burn a bowling ball? Look at this shit. Fucking flaming. It smells like asshole too.
Oh shit.
There it goes. Hell no.
Keep itself burning.
Deformed fool.
Put fucking ass everywhere.
Hit it with the shovel.
Put all my pants. Hey, Bo.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Catching the grass on fire. This is the type of shit that catches houses on fire.
Just niggas burning bowling balls. Redneck edition.
Hell no.
That's one way to cut your grass. Let's put yourself out.
If you bowl with that, you'd be on a hot streak.
Oh yeah.
What do you reckon?
I think that smells like fucking bleach. Drink it.
What the fuck?
Shall we return it to its rightful resting place?
That's where she lives now.
That ball cost $170 brand new.
Oh shit.
No rules. Burnt the fuck out of it now. Look at that shit. Piece of it's in the log where it was sitting.
Yep.
That's a piece of melted ass plastic.